Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to install beautiful and durable terrazzo flooring in your home. It might sound intimidating, but don't worry, we'll break it down into easy steps. Let's get started. Gather materials and tools. First things first, gather your materials and tools. Terrazzo tiles or mixed. Adhesive or mortar. Trowel. Spacers. Grout. A bucket. Sponge. Saw. Level. Rubber mallet. Prepare the subfloor. Now, before installing terrazzo, make sure your subfloor is clean and level. Use a level to check for any uneven spots. Laying the tiles. It's time to lay those terrazzo tiles. Spread adhesive or mortar on the subfloor and use your trowel to create ridges for better adhesion. Lay the tiles with spacers in between to ensure even spacing. Cutting tiles. If you need to cut tiles to fit around corners or edges, use a wet saw. Safety first, wear protective gear. Grouting. After the tiles are set, mix the grout and fill the gaps between tiles. Wipe off excess grout with a damp sponge. Cure and clean. Once the grout has dried, it's time to seal the terrazzo. This will protect it from stains and spills. Give it some time to cure and then clean the surface. Congratulations! You've successfully installed terrazzo flooring. It looks amazing and adds value to your home. We hope this video helped you learn how to install terrazzo flooring.